Are you dreaming of a career as a virtual assistant? But the thought of leaving your secure 9 to 5 job feels too risky. What if I told you that you don't have to choose? You can actually start your VA journey and build a successful freelance career without giving up your current paycheck. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps on how to make it. Stay until the end of this video and you'll know how. Hi Wonder VAs! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Work at Home by Vain Philippines, the virtual assistant hub for aspiring and experienced virtual assistants. If you're new here, hello, my name is Blessy. I'm one of the virtual assistants focusing on social media management and marketing here at Vain Philippines. Starting as a virtual assistant on the side is the smartest move. It provides a financial safety net while you explore a new industry. Freelancing is at its core, starting your business where you sell your services. This approach gives you time to make the crucial mindset shift from an employee to a business owner without the pressure of an empty bank account. Many people try remote work and they realize it's not for them. By easing into it as a side hustle, you can test if the freelance lifestyle suits for you. This low-risk approach is a far better alternative to diving in headfirst and facing potential regrets. You get to learn, grow, and build your confidence before ever having to turn in that resignation letter. So how do you make this work? First, you need to be honest with yourself about your time. Be realistic about the hours you can dedicate each day. Even just 2 hours or 4 hours can make a difference. The key here is to master your schedule. Create a strategic calendar that blocks out time for your main job, your side hustle, and most importantly, your personal breaks to prevent burnout. Next, consider taking on project-based work. This is a perfect starting point because you're not locked into a set number of hours per week. This is particularly effective for creatives who can take on one-off projects like designing a logo or editing a video. Now, when it comes to services that you offer, focus on niches that have clear deliverables and flexible deadlines. And here are some few great options for you to try. First off, general virtual assistant. Tasks like inbox management, data entry, and calendar organization. Second, creative roles. Graphic designing, social media management, and video editing. These are often project-based and highly in demand. And lastly, podcast assistant. A growing and less crowded niche. You can manage guest coordination, create show notes, and handle content repurposing. Now that we already have a plan and we know how to start freelancing without quitting your job, the big question here is where to find the clients. Start by tapping into your existing network. Referrals from people you know are the most effective way to build trust and secure your first client. You should also join online communities and attend networking events for freelancers and remote workers. You can head to platforms like Online Job PH, LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, and many more. Make sure to be upfront in your profile and proposals about your part-time availability. And don't forget to use social media. You can find a wealth of potential clients in social media like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and even Instagram by directly pitching yourself to the businesses. Speaking of social media, you can also head to Vain Philippines social media to find your clients. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook group, and YouTube channel like this. Just to give an idea, Vain Philippines is a recruiting agency that tailor virtual assistants to clients worldwide. So if you want to know the available job positions that we are offering, please go to our social media pages to know how to apply. And again, we are offering free webinars just like the one I mentioned a while ago. And all you have to do is like and follow us to get the link on our social media pages. So don't forget to like and follow us and join our Facebook community so that you'll get to stay tuned in the freebies that we are sharing, in the videos that we are uploading, and everything about Vain Philippines. All right, it's a wrap. So where are you now on your journey? Are you just starting to explore a new side hustle? Or are you ready to take on the full-time leap? If you don't mind, Wonder VAs, could you please share your biggest fear in starting your virtual assistant journey in the comments below? And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, like and save this video, hit the bell button to get notified, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more resources and tips like this. Thanks for watching this video until this very end, and we will see you on our next one. Always remember, Wonder VAs, You've got this.